heard quite a lot today during the conference about kind of removing digital barriers when moving in between different countries, and I think that's a big thing. So if I've got my iPlayer and I'm watching it in the UK, I really want to be able to watch that when I come to Copenhagen for a conference, and I think removing those barriers is going to be really important. I think when I compare sort of businesses that are part of the London tech scene with businesses that are part of the Silicon Valley tech scene, the scale that they have access to is so much more vast. And when we're looking at kind of opening up our business within Europe, we're facing lots and lots of different kind of questions around different countries. So I think kind of removing those digital barriers will be great in terms of scalability, but also just, I guess, little things like being able to watch iPlayer when abroad. I think one of the interesting things about the legislation we faced as a business is actually in the UK, the government's been very, very good at adding clarity around whether or not you're able to rent out your driveway, which is a core part of our business. We allow users to book parking spaces in car parks, but also driveways, churches, and let homeowners make money from that. And the UK, like I said, been very, very good at kind of being quite clear around what a homeowner can do in terms of renting out their driveway or not. And it would be great to see that same kind of clarity across the European market. Well, I was just on a panel with someone from the EU Commission, and one of the points he raised was actually they've got a lot of businesses from the sharing economy, which is the industry that we're part of at Justpark. And one of the questions that a lot of the large companies are going to the EU Commission at the moment and saying is, well, we're entering a new market. They're putting up legislation that's preventing us from entering that market. Big problem for Airbnb and Uber at the moment. And the EU Commission is saying, well, we can't do anything about that. And I think what will be really interesting, and the gentleman from the EU Commission kind of raised this, is looking at how the EU Commission can have more of an impact in terms of individual countries and their legislation around the digital economy. Because at the moment, they can't do much.